Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now I coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first draw A. A for apple. A for and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. It's neither C. C for cat. C for car. Kids, neither D. D for dog. D for doll. And use green color. The alphabets of D. Kids, neither E. E for egg. E for elephant. And again use green color. F. F for fish. F for fan. Kids, neither G. G for goat. G for grapes. And use blue color. The alphabets of G. Kids, neither H. H for hen. H for helicopter. And again use blue color. I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Kids, neither J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. And use yellow color. K. K for kite. K for king. Kids, again use yellow color and draw L. L for lion. L for lemon. Kids, neither M. M for moon. M for mango. And use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids, neither O. O for orange. O for octopus. And again use black color. Kids, neither P. P for parrot. P for penguin. And use yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. Kids, neither R. R for rose. R for rice. And use red color. The alphabets of R. Kids, again use red color and draw S. S for sun. S for sheep. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. Kids, neither U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. And use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw V. V for van. V for vanilla. Kids, neither W. W for wolf. W is for watch. Kids, neither X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw Y. Y for yak. Y for yeah. Kids, neither Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids, neither numbers. Kids, first letter 1. The numbers of 1 and use yellow color. Yellow color. O N E 1. 2. T W or 2. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 3. T H R W E 3. It's neither 4. The numbers of 4 and use black color. Black color. F O U R 4. 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. And again use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids, neither 7. The numbers of 7 and again use black color. S E V E and 7. Kids, neither 8. The numbers of 8 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. E I G H T 8. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw 9. N I N E 9. Kids, neither 10. The numbers of 10. T E and 10. And again use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids, today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.